Zero tolerance needs to start right at the very top. We would not use racial slurs. We would not call gay people by those old names that people used to use. We would not mock people with a disability, and we must not publicly misgender people. Absolutely not. You see, Bethany and Rose are both women, and they work for the same NHS hospital. And Bethany apparently finds it undignified to use the same bathroom as Rose. I don't think this is about dignity. I think this is about discrimination. And do you know what, Bethany? If you don't want to use the bathroom at the same time as Rose, then don't. Use it just after her. But publicly calling her a man, which is reportedly what you did, is completely and utterly unacceptable. Sign our petition. We're calling out this behaviour. Stop hate now. Sign it, share it, stop it.